आ गया। ला 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 पूला
Hello,
ला।
Arav and Arush.
हेलो।
Switch on your camera, Arush.
वेट मैम।
So tomorrow you have science exam.
नो।
2 days.
Then,
2 days. Sorry, 3 days.
अच्छा, on
3
Monday
days.
you have exam.
Yeah, 3 days.
कल क्यों छुट्टी है?
Good Friday.
अच्छा, Good Friday.
अच्छा फ्राइडे।
Okay, अच्छा Friday. Very good. So we have 2 days for revision, right? Friday and Saturday. 3
Yeah.
like आज भी करेंगे, then yeah, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so let's get started with the revision.
मैम मेरा जो सिस्टम अपडेट हुआ है ना पूछो।
What?
मैम माय सिस्टम हैज अपडेटेड। ये दिखा
Yes.
क्या? क्लास में।
चलो, first chapter we will revise is electricity. Detail में. Okay, we have only 3 chapters na, respiration, electricity and health and hygiene. है ना?
Yeah.
So we'll start now. What happened, Arush? You are on another tab or what?
नो।
Arav, keep your camera on. Electricity, page number 288.
आप म्यूट करना।
Hope you all saw your test papers. है ना, जो 60 मार्क का टेस्ट हुआ था.
Yeah.
Arush, sorry, Arav will start with you. I want 2 importance of electricity. I'll unshare the screen so that you know textbook मैं देखते रहो. Okay? Yes. So yes, Arav, you are on mute. Arav, I can't hear you.
The importance of electricity firstly it is with electricity we there is nothing we can do like like industries, email, phone, computer, they will not work if there is no electricity.
Okay, then
Yeah ma'am,
Arush, क्या एक्टिंग कर रहे हो तुम? क्या हो गया है?
this is it.
चलो, next Arush, your turn. So Arush, your question beta.
Conduction electrons.
So Arush, you will be explaining the subatomic particles of atom.
Yes, ma'am. Atom is the basic particle of matter, ma'am. It contains 3 particles: proton, neutron, and electron. The center of the atom is called the nucleus. The nucleus contains the proton and the neutrons. The protons are the positively charged particles, and the neutrons are the neutrally charged particles. The outermost ring of the atom is called as the electron shell, which contains electrons which are negatively charged. In a metal, one or few atoms are loosely bound to the atom and can carry the charge. These electrons are called as conduction electrons. Sorry,
Yeah.
conduction.
Now Arav, what is the charge of the nucleus present in the center of the atom?
Yeah.
What is the charge of the what is the charge of the nucleus
It's
present in the
positively,
center of the atom?
it is positively
Why it is
charged.
positive? Yeah, why it is positive charge?
Because it contains protons in it that are basically neutral and that are positively charged.
Yeah, it contains protons plus neutrons. Why Arush is laughing? क्या हो रहा है? कोई जोक हो रहा है? कोई जोक चल रहा है? सर्कस चल रहा है? या मैं और आरव आपको कार्टून की तरह दिख रहा है? ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं मैम,
Then
इसके वॉलपेपर में कार्टून है।
ओ, तो कार्टून ने कार्टून का ही फोटो रखा है ना? टॉम एंड जेरी. चलो, now next question, Arav. So Arav, your question is, what do you mean by static current? What is static current?
Static current. When an object is rubbed against each other, the object that is rubbed against it loses electrons and others gain electron. That process is called as a static charge or static current. Static current is a temporary and can be discharged when not in contact.
Yeah, so while rubbing the two objects, one it gains electrons and one it loses electrons, and due to this losing and gaining of electrons, the objects are said to be charged, and this is known as static current. Understood? Now Arush, your turn. So Arush, what do you understand by the term electric current? What is electric current? Quizzes
Electric
खेलना आता है आप
current
लोगों
is
को?
a हाँ
क्विज़ेस खेलना आता है?
आता है. Electric current is the rate of flow of electric charge.
Okay, we'll have this quizzes for respiration chapter. Chalo.
Arav will lose and I will win.
Chalo, we'll have quizzes.
For electricity.
बेटा क्योंकि ना उसमें ग्रेड वाइज नहीं आएगा, स्मॉल ग्रेड का क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, द क्वेश्चंस यू वोंट बी एबल टू डू देन.
Quizzes.com. Quizzes.
So we have यहाँ पे you can see 30 क्वेश्चंस का है. ओके चलो. Got the code?
Ma'am, wait. Let us join. We don't have Chrome.
06777706.
We don't have Chrome. Wait, I will
तो नहीं
try.
कर पाओगे?
No. Wait, I will try.
06777706.
Wait. Ma'am, I'm coming. Wait. Join myquiz.com. Join.
I'll share the link with you. Chat में link share कर दूँ?
Quiz.com. Yeah, turn myquiz.com. First we did join.
Link share कर दूँ मैं?
नहीं ma'am, I've typed the see.
Yeah. Done? Arush, you are ready?
No ma'am, I cannot come.
Why?
Ma'am,
Why?
I don't have Chrome.
Because?
I don't have Chrome.
So for you, I'll share the screen. आरव के पास है, आप मेरे स्क्रीन से प्ले करोगे. The options which you are saying, I'll be clicking that.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, can you give the code now? Can you show the code?
06777706.
6777706.
Done?
Ma'am, wait.
Yeah. चलो.
No, ma'am, I'm not there.
ये कौन है? L कौन है?
This is not me. Remove me. This is not me.
You are only there.
No.
You are only there.
अरे यार, I don't want it to write L.
चलेगा. चलो start.
मैं नहीं जा सकता. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे में
चलो.
Chrome नहीं है.
तो आरुष, क्रोम नहीं है तो तुम मेरे स्क्रीन पे से कर सकते हो. चलो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आरुष, when breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called
Cellular respiration.
Ma'am, where is cellular respiration. Mine so अलग questions.
या क्वेश्चंस अलग ही होंगे ना.
कैसे?
हाँ अलग होंगे. What you thought? आरुष first one was wrong.
एक मिनट मैम जाए सेट कवर एल बोली.
वेट एक काम कर. वेट एक काम कर. आरव you don't play on your tab. तुम अपने टैब पे नहीं करोगे ठीक है. एक क्वेश्चन आरुष बोलेगा एक क्वेश्चन आरव बोलेगा मेरे स्क्रीन पे जो मैं डिस्प्ले कर रही हूँ उस पे. Okay, because and Arav, don't expect that the questions which you are seeing on my screen वही question आपको मिलेगा आपके screen पे. No, you won't get that same question. The questions are puzzled. Okay, चलो. Now, Arav, your turn. The process of breakdown of food molecules in the cell with release of energy is called
cellular respiration.
Cellular respiration. Incorrect. It's internal respiration.
Ma'am, but cellular respiration is same as internal respiration only.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Arush, gills take in oxygen from the water while lungs take in oxygen from air. True or false?
True. True.
Correct.
Power up.
Arav. Arav, your turn now.
Yeah.
Arav is still winning. Arush, कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So Arav, during heavy exercise, when supply of oxygen to our muscles is insufficient, food breakdown is by.
Ma'am, to do heavy exercise with the supply of oxygen to our muscles is
आता है.
cellular respiration.
What?
Can I say the answer? Arav does not know.
Incorrect. It's anaerobic respiration. Because beta aerobic में you take in oxygen, anaerobic में you don't take in oxygen. There is lack of oxygen. चलो. Arush, from the nasal cavity, the air reaches our lungs through the
windpipe.
Correct.
Ma'am, shall I leave this game? I have beat the game, okay?
No.
Ma'am, annually.
No. तो गेम नहीं प्ले कर पाएंगे हम अगर तुम लीव करोगे तो. चलो Arav, this question to you. The air sacs that are covered with capillaries where gas exchange takes place are called.
Alveoli.
Very good.
I'm not playing on my device, okay? I'm just keeping the like this only.
Yeah. Arush, name the organ label 6.
Ma'am, I cannot see the
6 कहाँ पे है?
ये रहा.
Trachea.
Correct. Arush, I can't see you.
I am here only.
Razor, ma'am, you have got such a nice power up.
Chalo. Now, Arav, gills are well supplied with dash for exchange of gases.
Gills are well supplied with oxygen.
Oxygen?
No, wait.
Blood vessels. Wahi de to, yeah, so they will take in blood.
Ma'am, but how it will come like?
हाँ बेटा, see, what
but,
it is given gills में.
Coming, no?
Gills में already blood है. Gills में oxygen पहले से थोड़ी होता है. They take in oxygen and they give out carbon dioxide.
But this is in a portion, like gills are well supplied with what?
Arush, when we inhale air, it passes through our nostrils into the
chest.
चुप रह. Into the nasal cavity.
Correct. Very good. Arav, earthworm skin is?
Huh? Earthworms? Huh? Moist and slimy.
Correct.
ये क्या पागल?
Yay, you got correct answer. Now Arush, your turn, huh? अच्छा ठीक है. Re-attempt a question you got wrong. Choose wisely. Which one you want to choose, Arush?
Second one.
Okay, so Arush, during heavy exercise.
Anaerobic. Yeah.
मैम सो पीछे इंसेक्ट है don't know
This
मैम
is spiracle.
50-50 मैम 50-50
Oh, it's trachea. Spiracles also come inside them. My loss. Chalo, Arav, lungs are present in the.
chest cavity
Very good.
power up
क्या बकवास करते हैं?
Arush, your turn. Acha, this question is not there, so we'll randomly just click anywhere.
ma'am but
Random.
no one ma'am then we will not get full marks
No, that question was not there.
breathing rate
This is
breathing
the
rate
number of time. Yeah, the
Breathing
number
rate.
of times a person is termed as breathing rate. Very good.
we lead by a trillion points
Arush, due to accumulation of which acid there is a muscle
lactic
cramp?
acid
Lactic
Very-
acid, lactic acid.
But here we have to select
sulfuric acid also then.
sulfuric acid.
No I don't know exactly
Hydrochloric.
One more.
Ma'am, ammonium.
sulfuric
अरे it's like कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
ma'am you have to press on it
Yeah, I'm pressing only.
ma'am when the time finishes then you yeah, now answer will come
No, nothing is coming. कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है.
ma'am the next question
लगता आरव डिलीट कर दिया.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं मिल रहा है इसमें.
अभी
No. See, it's not changing.
अभी मैं wrong बोला
No. But no, ये क्वेश्चन आगे हो ही नहीं रहा है. Then
Ma'am,
But the-
ma'am, can you ask electricity? Electricity is.
yeah, I'm asking electricity only now. I'll unshare the screen. Okay. Arush, I want you to sit properly. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so Arush, your question is, what are conductors and insulators?
Conductors and
Insulators.
materials that allow electric current to pass through them are called as good conductors or conductors of electricity. Metals like aluminum, graphite, copper, gold, silver are examples of good conductors. Copper is a better conductor of electricity than is a better conductor of electricity than silver is a better conductor of electricity than copper, but copper is used because the silver
I'm
would
not
make the wire
I'm
too
not asking these
expensive.
questions. I'm
And
simply asking you to define conductors and insulators.
And the materials that do not allow electricity to pass through them are called as bad conductors or insulators of electricity. Examples: paper, cork, glass, stones, etc. Arav,
Now, Arav, next question to you. So, Arav, describe electric cell or the electrochemical cell? Electric cell or electrochemical cell? I can't hear you. You are on mute.
Electric cell or
Arush, what are you doing?
I have to charge my tablet. Jana. Chuta.
क्या कर रहे हो दोनों?
Ma'am, he is doing that. Charger?
Yes, say
I don't.
Arav.
Yeah, what is what?
Arav, say the answer. What is what? What is electrochemical cell?
Oh, an electric.
Yes.
Pagal.
What is electrochemical cell?
An electric or an electrochemical cell is a device that converts chemical energy to electrical energy. There and on that cell there are two terminals, positive and negative terminal, the plus and minus symbol, and the two types of primary. There are two types.
I'm not asking that. I'm not asking the types. Just give me. No. Give me 3 examples, Arav. Give me 3 examples of electrochemical cell. Where it is used. It is used. Say.
गया वो.
कहाँ गया?
Washroom.
Yes, Arush, tell me the 3 devices in which electrochemical cell is used. Arush, tell me 3 devices in which electrochemical cell is used.
3 devices.
Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, 3 devices in which electrochemical cells are used are torches, battery, radio, etc.
Okay.
Pagal.
Yes. Arav. So, Arav, next question to you now. Which are the 2 different types of electrochemical cell?
Secondary cell and primary cell.
Okay. You describe only the primary cell.
Primary cell. It is the device that converts it is the device that converts chemical energy to electrical energy by an irreversible chemical reaction. These cells cannot be charged and hence they are
Recharge.
examples. These cells cannot be recharged and hence examples are Lennox cell, Daniel cell.
Leclanch cell.
Yeah, and Daniel cell and simple voltaic cell.
Yeah, simple voltaic cell, Daniel cell, and the Leclanch cell. Okay. Arush, please describe secondary cells. Arush, I can't see you. Sit properly. What he is doing? Arush, where are you roaming? What are you doing? Now don't dare to. यहाँ से उठोगे नहीं तुम, यहीं पे बैठे रहोगे. उठना नहीं है तुमको यहाँ से. दोनों को कहीं नहीं उठना है. चुपचाप दोनों के दोनों बैठे रहो. Arush, I can't see your face. Sit properly. Arav, can you see him? Okay. Arush, describe secondary cells.
Oh, secondary cells, yes, ma'am. Secondary cells are cells secondary cells are rechargeable cells which use a reversible method of conversion. The reversible converting electrical energy into electric energy. Yes. अरे क्या कर रहा है आरव? Yes. Secondary cells are also called as storage cell or accumulators. For examples are lithium, cadmium. First is nickel cadmium cell and lithium ion cell and the lead acid cell.
Ma'am, you should,
lead
you should
acid cell.
simply say lithium ion and acid cell. Then
Yeah. Okay, now Arav. Arav, what is battery? How you will describe battery? Arav, what is battery?
a battery is a electrochemical cells that have one or more cells of its same kind. These are used when a single cell isn't sufficient for an electrical device, and these are used in electrical watches, cars, electrical watches, mobiles, torches, etc.
Yes. Yeah. Arush, describe simple those components and yeah, components of simple voltaic cell.
Yes, simple voltaic cell consists of two metal plates which are made up of copper and zinc. Yes, and the dilute sulfuric acid acts as the electrolyte. And when these two metal plates are connected to a bulb, the bulb starts glowing.
Yeah, the bulb starts glowing. Very good. Arush, what is the electrolyte solution used in simple voltaic cell?
Moist paste of aluminum chloride.
Yes, and which are the metal plates? Metal plates are made of.
What?
Ma'am, the zinc plate is the anode, and the center that acts as a cathode is dipped in the solution of carbon dioxide and
No, no,
manganese,
no,
and that is
no. I'm
copper,
asking
copper,
simple voltaic cell.
copper,
Yes, yes.
copper,
Okay, now Arav, you will be
and the solution
describing
is dilute sulfuric
sulfuric
acid.
acid. Yeah,
Sorry.
you were describing dry cell. Arav, now you describe dry cell.
uh, a dry cell. A dry cell is a primary cell which is used for household. There is a zinc container that is also called as a negative electrode or anode, and the center acts as a cathode that is dipped in carbon dioxide and
Carbon
manganese
rod.
dioxide. It is a carbon rod, and that is dipped in carbon dioxide and manganese dioxide solution,
See, it is
and it
wait,
is
wait,
placed
wait,
in a
wait, wait,
machine.
wait. It is not carbon dioxide. It is manganese dioxide and only carbon. It is not carbon dioxide.
Carbon and
Please remember
carbon plus,
this.
yeah, carbon, that is carbon plus this different carbon dioxide solution, and and then it is placed in the muslin bag. The brass cap on the top marks the positive and negative terminal of the cell, and the thick wood material covering and plastic covering is used to cover the dry cell. Dry
Okay,
cells are
and
usually
no, no, no. Arab, what is the electrolyte solution used in dry cell?
much paste of ammonium chloride.
Yeah, don't get confused between the electrolyte solution used in dry cell as well as simple voltaic cell. Okay,
Ma'am, that
very good.
that that pink one is the ammonium chloride, and the yellow one is carbon plus manganese
Plus,
dioxide.
yeah, don't say carbon dioxide. Yeah. Now, Arush, you will be explaining. Describe solar cell. What is solar cell? What are its like? Where are these used? Where are like they are applicable?
So
Arush.
easy. The device that converts converts solar energy into electric energy is called as the solar cell. Yes, a group of solar cell is integrated together to form a solar panel. Solar panel is used in wristwatches, calculators, and street
Solar
lights.
panel is not used. Solar panel is not used in this
Solar panels
calculator.
constitute together and they make a
अरे
solar.
यार Solar cells
Solar
are
cell.
widely used in solar cells are widely used in wristwatches, calculators, and street lights,
Street
street lights,
lamps, traffic signals,
and
traffic
and traffic
signals.
signal. हो गया. And traffic signals. And traffic signals. Solar panels are used in space stations and space satellites, and are also used in remote areas as a source of energy.
Yes. So when it comes about describing, so you have to describe everything. First of all, what is solar cell or solar panel? Hey Araf, what is solar cell or solar panel? Then you have to describe what is like conversion of energy. Okay, solar energy to electrical energy. And what about the conversion of energy in solar dry cell and simple voltaic cell? Chemical
What you
energy
told
to
just now? What you told just
chemical
now?
energy conversion.
Oh, chemical energy to electrical
Electrical
energy.
energy.
And in
Yeah.
solar cells, that are solar power to electrical
Solar
energy.
energy
Solar
into
energy.
electrical. Yeah.
Solar energy.
आरुष, कौन सा वायर है तुम्हारे यहाँ पे? ये क्या है? ये इसको क्यों है?
ये चार्जर है, चार्जर का वायर है.
अच्छा, ओके. Now, next question, Arav. Arav, you have to explain the three different types of. Yes, Arush, enough now. Okay.
मत खा मेरा.
Yes.
मेरा
So
चार्जर मत
Arush,
खा.
shall I call your mom
Yes,
to
ma'am.
give you some food?
Yeah, ma'am, call. Ma'am, call fast, please.
बुलाओ तो आरव.
मम्मा, ये देखो वायर चबा रहा है. वायर चबा रहा है ये. मेरा वायर क्यों चबा रहा है?
आरुष, क्या है बेटा ये? जूनियर केजी सीनियर केजी में पढ़ते हो तुम? वो बच्चे भी ऐसे परेशान नहीं करते. Being like, you know, like अभी 7th grade में जाओगे and you are behaving like 1st grade and 2nd grade, वो लोग भी ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. Simply busy in your own world. Okay. So Arav, now your turn. Which are the three different types of wires and where are they used? What are like their uses?
Red wire is also called as the live wire.
Why?
And it is called as a live wire because it from there the electric current passes through.
Yeah.
That is given to our electric appliances in the house. The black or the blue wire, also called as the new convention, is a neutral wire that makes the circuit and makes a way back for the electric current. The green wire or the
Yes.
earth wire is
Yeah, way back so that the circuit gets completed, right? To complete one circuit. Yeah. And what about the green wire?
Green wire or the earth wire is used to protect us from the shock.
Yeah, earthing के लिए.
मैं देख के नहीं ये किया है, ये देखो.
Yes, earthing के लिए. I said earthing wire.
Earthing wire or earth wire?
earthing के लिए उसको बोलते हैं. वैसा मैं बता रही हूँ. Okay, Arush, what is electric circuit?
Ma'am, electric circuit is a device through which electrons flow.
आपका water bottle दिख रहा है नहीं, एकदम invisible.
Through which electrons flow.
Yes.
Okay. And Arush, what are the conditions needed to be satisfied for the flow of electron in a circuit?
First is we need a battery, then we need an electrical device or a load. For example, the bulb. We need a conductor such as the copper wire, and then we need a switch to open and break the circuit.
Yeah, correct. Now Arav, you have to repeat the components required for electric circuit for the electrons to move in a circuit.
A connecting wire. Ma'am, shall I draw it and give it to you?
No, first tell me. Drawing wala I'll give.
A connecting wire, like a connecting wire.
Conducting material.
A connecting. I don't know. You are telling me the parts of no, so I'm telling you the.
Say.
First the connecting wire. See, you can see this connecting wire.
Yes.
Then the open circuit. Then the closed circuit. Then the bulb. Then the battery.
Yes. Now Arav, tell me, what do you understand by closed circuit?
A closed circuit. Electrons flow from the negative terminal from the cell to the bulb and then to the positive terminal of the cell. That is called as a closed circuit.
Yes.
An
Now,
open circuit is when electric current doesn't flow. It is called as an open circuit.
yes.
मैम बट मुझको अजीब लगता है कि ये मैम दिस इज लाइक ओपन एंड दिस इज लाइक क्लोज.
They are universally accepted. That's why वो ऐसे common में बनाया हुआ है. Okay. Now, Anush, describe electric bulb.
Ma'am,
Anush,
electric
describe.
bulb.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, electric bulb or the incandescent light bulb. Ma'am, electric bulb or the incandescent light bulb. अरे यार आराम मत करना. It contains of a spherical glass dome which protects the filament. Is the filament is a thin wire made out of tungsten. Tungsten is used in making of the filament because tungsten has a high melting temperature. Then and at the tip and yes and the metal wire is attached to the tip of the bulb and then and from the metal wire another wire is attached to the yes and yes there are two wires attached to the tip of the metal bulb and they are connected so it forms a circuit and 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 but the circuit will only work when if we switch on the if we switch yes we switch on the circuit.
Yeah. Now, Arav, what will happen when the filament of an electric bulb is broken?
The bulb would stop glowing. The bulb
Because
would
that,
stop glowing
yeah, why the bulb will stop glowing?
because the filament that connects the electric current will break. So there will be no
Electric
wire.
current, yeah, there won't be any flow of electric
Yeah.
current. Electric current stops flowing.
Wow, 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 wow.
Now, Arav, next question to you only. What is
Yeah.
switch?
More to
A switch.
What is
A switch
switch?
is a switch is a mechanism in a electric circuit that maintains the on
It's
and
not a
off.
mechanism. No, no, no. It's not a
Oh,
mechanism.
sorry,
It's
sorry, sorry. Yes. A switch is a part of an electric circuit.
device.
Sorry, a switch is a device that maintains the on and off of a electric circuit. When a switch is on, the electric current passes through the switch, and when the switch is off, when the switch is off, it is called as a open. It is called as an open circuit where no electric current flows because it is broken like this.
Now, Arush, describe torch
yes or
and the components. You just क्या हो गया?
मैं आरव देखो क्या कर रहा था.
क्या कर रहे हो दोनों मतलब?
हाँ मैम यस टॉर्च की कंपोनेंट्स एक्सप्लेन करना है ना.
Yes.
Ma'am, first is the yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first is the director, ma'am. Ma'am, the director is a thick piece of aluminum. The silvery coating, ma'am, it directs the light forward, emitted from the bulb, and then there is one glass, ma'am. Then there is the bulb, ma'am. The bulb contains of a spherical glass dome. It protects the filament and the director, and it is transparent so the light can pass easily to its cell, ma'am. Cell is the electric source, ma'am. The cell is the electric source of the torch. Ma'am, the cell is the electric source of the torch and then switch, ma'am, ma'am, with the help
It
of the
controls
switch,
the
it controls the closing and opening of the circuit. And ma'am, the body is usually made up of aluminium or steel,
aluminium
and it aluminium or
or
steel and holds
plastic. Aluminum or plastic.
aluminum or plastic and holds all the parts together. मैम उसके
Yes.
बाद वाला पॉइंट नेसेसरी
No, no,
नहीं
no.
है.
Yeah, I know.
वो मैंने यार अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट लग रहा है.
Now, Arav, you will just enlist. Okay, just enlist the components of torch. Arav, Enlist the components of torch.
Means
Yes.
English means I have to
Enlist means
explain the
only the
arrow.
no. Only the names of the components of torch.
Miss, this is easy. Bulb, reflector, body, body, the glass present there, the battery is present there,
Switch and
and switch also.
cell.
Cell, no, ma'am, I told na battery.
Yeah.
Body को उड़ा दिया तू.
No, he said,
Body.
he said.
Body, I said.
Okay, now Arav, your turn only. So Arav, you have to explain the electrical circuit of a torch. Yes, Arav.
What shall I say?
What you were doing?
No,
Where you
ma'am,
went?
nothing, ma'am. I just scratched my
So,
knees.
Arav, you have to explain the electrical circuit of a torch.
Oh, electrics. Yeah, electric circuit of the torch. The the batteries the batteries are kept in this way that the positive terminal of positive terminal and the negative terminal of one battery connect to each other. There are many various battery available in market, and the switch and off mechanism and a bulb is supported by the two metal strings.
Yes. Now, Arush, tell me any 4 points, like 4 precautions to be taken while using electrical devices.
First is that we should not touch the electric devices with yes, yes, we should not touch any electric device with the wet hands. We should not fly kites where there is overhead wires. And then four no, and then ma'am, and then
Then, say,
overhead wires and
I can't hear you, Arush.
Yes. We should always switch off the circuit before removing the plug because if we don't do that, we can get a shock. And ma'am, and one more point.
Never play with electrical wires, power cords, and switches.
Oh yes, never play with electric wires, power cord switches unless you have mechanical information.
Yeah, and without technical, without proper
Yes,
technical
without
information,
proper
don't
technical
try to.
also, we should not fix them. We should
Yeah,
not try to fix them.
yeah, we should not try to repair any electrical appliance. Now, Arav, your turn. What measures we should adopt to conserve electricity?
What measures we should?
Adopt to conserve electricity.
The measures we should adopt the measures we should adopt is firstly we should switch off the lights when not in need,
Yes.
and then uh, and then th- then then to buy a then to buy a then we should see the ratings, the ratings on, ma'am. I
Say.
don't know. I don't know.
Don't know. इतना easy answer.
नहीं,
कैमरा क्यों बंद है तुम्हारा?
मैम, my cameras are on.
I can't see you. पूरा black हो गया है.
हैं?
अभी कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है.
अभी
बिल्कुल नहीं.
अभी
Arush,
हेलो,
can you see him?
अभी
Yes, now. Yes. अब दिखा.
First,
Okay, so now listen.
I know the answer.
Wait,
I'm telling, wait, switch off the electrical air.
1 minute. Arav, you are going to listen to Arush now and then you are going to repeat the answer. Okay?
is we should tell builders to construct apartments in such way that during daytime there is lot of sunlight and there is no need of switching on the light. We should always take we should always take electrical appliance with star ratings according to the Ministry of Energy Efficiency 2006. Government had Yes, the government had told the appliance manufacturers to add ratings to the appliances. The more the ratings, the more the energy efficient the appliance is. We should switch off all the electrical appliances when we when we are leaving the room. When there's no need of it, we should use renewable sources of energy such as geothermal energy, solar energy to produce electricity.
Now,
Repeat.
Arav.
Arav, repeat.
No, wait. Arav, answer the first one. The dash released from food is useful in activities like growth, excretion, reproduction, running, reading, and sleeping.
Oh, the dash is released from the dash and dash and dash and dash. The energy released.
Energy. Arav, sorry, Arush, next one. The food we eat has to be converted into dash for releasing energy.
Glucose.
What?
Glucose.
Okay. Arav, third one. The breakdown of glucose in a cell to release energy is called?
Anaerobic.
Read the
Cellular.
question properly.
Cellular.
Arush, fourth one. The breakdown of glucose in the...
Can I say something? Aerobic
Wait.
and anaerobic are not in our chapter.
है बेटा.
है क्या?
Now, Arush, fourth one. The breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen is called? Arush, fourth one. The breakdown of glucose
Cellular
in the...
respiration. Cellular.
Now,
Yes.
The
Arav,
breakdown
the breakdown of glucose in the absence of oxygen in yeast forms alcohol, energy, and carbon dioxide. Yeast and other organisms that respire in the absence of oxygen is also known as?
breathing.
C. There are two
Ma'am,
types
I
of...
don't know this question.
See. There are two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic means in the presence of oxygen, that we all do, right? So we are performing aerobic respiration.
Aerobic.
Anaerobic means in the absence of oxygen. तो यहाँ पे anaerobic है because you can see absence of oxygen is written.
So means
it is
aerobic means that
anaerobic.
in the present of in present of oxygen, and anaerobic means not in present of
Absence.
oxygen.
Yeah. Now
Absence.
Arush, sixth one. Plants utilize oxygen for respiration released through photosynthesis during the day and at night. They take in oxygen from the atmosphere and give out dash and dash.
Carbon dioxide and water vapor.
Carbon dioxide and what you said?
Water vapor. Water.
Okay. Arav, the stomata are involved in the entry and exit of
This term air.
Yeah, gases. Next one, Arush. A dash or dash can ease a muscle cramp by improving the circulation of blood in the affected muscles.
ये क्या है?
Yes.
है? ये नहीं है चैप्टर में.
Okay. So Arush, during heavy exercise, breathing rate of a person
increases.
Arav, breathing rate in human beings is normal. In normal condition is
Ma'am, I don't know, but I am taking a guess. It is 5 to 6 times in a minute. Ma'am, I don't know actually.
First one. अच्छा, they are writing answer according उनके हिसाब से आंसर बता रहे हैं.
हाँ? तुम्हारा सब wrong.
See, this question we didn't attempt तो उसको right दिया है.
क्यों? Ma'am, if we do not attend anything, we try it one time. Don't attend anything. What will happen? Let's see.
We get more right answers.
Yeah, ma'am. It is much better. Question only for exam fear. Ma'am, is it a site has exam fear?
Yes.
एग्जाम से डर लगता है.
हमको exam से डर लगता है. हमको बचा लो. हमको बचा लो.
चलो. Now, which of the following is the correct pathway through which the air travels in the human respiratory system?
I should say or Arav.
Arav.
Which of the following is the correct?
Yes, Arav.
Nose, pharynx, trachea. Ma'am, where's the bronchi? Nose, pharynx, trachea, lungs. Second option.
It's not trachea, it's trachea.
Pharynx. You are
Okay.
such a
Arush,
such a
which of the
motive. You are
following is
such a
responsible for
motive.
from entering the trachea? Yes, epiglottis. Arav, which of the following correctly describes the method of inhalation?
Ribs muscle, wrist muscle and diaphragm contract. Volume in chest and third option.
Yes. Which one?
Third option. Third option.
It is given inhalation. Third option.
Yeah.
Third.
Yeah. Sorry, second.
Done.
I'm telling third.
Arush, what is the cavity at the rear of the mouth called?
Oh no.
Yes.
Pharynx.
Arav, approx how many alveoli are found in
300 million.
finish?
Why not 500 million?
Okay, so we have only 2 right answers.
What?
And दोनों ही right answer Arav के हैं.
Yeah.
No, this answer was
Of Arush.
yeah.
मैम बट ये रॉन्ग कैसे हो मैंने बोला अब शट अप
You do this, okay, no?
Arush, your body couldn't breathe without this system. Which one it is?
Respiratory system.
है मैम यूरिनरी सिस्टम
Arav, respiratory system is made up of the trachea, the lungs and the
Liver.
The respiratory system is made up of trachea, the lungs, and the diaphragm.
It's not diaphragm, it's diaphragm. Okay. Arush, when you breathe in air, you bring oxygen into your lungs and blow out.
Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide and oxygen.
Arav, when you inhale your lungs,
When you inhale, your lungs inflate, turn purple. Inflate. No, ma'am, I want to turn purple. No, ma'am, I want to turn purple.
No, no, no. Do a dance. They say do a dance.
Do a dance, do a dance. Do a dance, do a dance. क्या आपको बकवास ऑप्शन देते हैं?
okay. Arush,
Do a dance.
Ram.
so Arush, what is the name of the tiny air sacs in your lungs?
Ravioli, alveoli.
Yes.
Alveoli.
Arav, dash is not good for your lungs.
Whoa.
Yes, Arav,
Smoking.
dash is not good for your lungs.
Yelling.
Say, come on, the correct answer.
Smoking.
Yeah, it is. Now, Arush, trachea is also called
Windpipe. ये अच्छा है. ये अच्छा ऑप्शन दिया है.
now Arav. The tiny hairs that keep mucus and dirt out of your lungs are called
Cilia.
Yes, done. Arush, the voice box is also known as
Motor mouth. Larynx.
yes.
Motor mouth.
Okay. Arav, Arav, as you breathe, this contracts and flattens to give your lungs room to fill up with air. Quick.
This contracts and flattens and gives room. Yeah, diaphragm. Lung balloon. No, ma'am, lung balloon. No,
So we'll check now. First
you
one
score
correct.
100%.
Second, yeah,
100%.
all correct.
Ma'am,
All correct.
Yes, all correct. Now,
मैम ये साइड कुछ अलग ही है ना मैम.
this is Kids Health. Kids Health पे ये बहुत अच्छा आता है.
Active side is. And ma'am, we are not kids. We are going to be teens.
Health and hygiene है ना next chapter.
Yes. Ma'am, you study at Cambridge. You study at Cambridge.
One minute. Yes.
Ma'am, you study at Cambridge.
Oh,
But why is there Cambridge websites?
Because he
because
wants
I
to
teach.
kidnap.
Hello?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Germs quiz PDF.
Germs quiz का PDF.
ये वाला बुक में से करना पड़ेगा.
Name at least 2-4 major types of germs. Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. I'll open this from your book. This is the last chapter, na?
Yes. Chicken beef.
Yes, children.
क्या कर रहा था तू अभी वापस कर?
ठीक है. Hello.
Okay, Arush, what are degenerative diseases?
Degenerative diseases are diseases which are caused due to smoking. For example, cancer and diabetes.
Acha.
Yeah?
Okay.
Oh
In
yeah,
which the
yeah, yeah.
cells and tissues of the bodies they
Ma'am,
get.
but degenerative diseases are caused due to the bad habits, no? And that will cause
Smoking.
livers and pancreas.
Yeah, so smoking is good habit or what?
No, it's a bad habit.
Yeah,
It's
so
a
smoking we can is
bad.
good.
See, doing like this is a bad habit.
Arab is a bad habit. Arush is a
Yes.
good habit.
What is the page number?
Page
I don't
number
know.
1 lakh. Page number 1 lakh.
Ma'am, go at end. Yeah.
इसके बाद है कि पहले है?
नहीं इसके बाद इसके पहले
I want to see the index only. तुम लोग घुमाते रहोगे मुझे.
घुमाते रहेंगे.
It is
मैम इसका कुछ अलग
474.
मैम इसका कुछ अलग ही मैम वो सर्च वर्ड करो ना सर्च वर्ड
तेरा.
इतना मस्त है ना.
So
हाँ
health. Arush, define health.
Health is defined as the complete state of mental, social, and physical well-being. And
Of course.
and it is not funny, Arav.
Okay. Now, Arav, your question is list any 5 ways to maintain good health.
eat balanced diet go to brush and bathe every day do not go on Sunday eat
Do not
eat
go on
egg.
Sunday.
No eat eggs and eat eggs and go on Monday.
Say properly how to maintain good
Okay,
health.
eat balanced diet, do personal hygiene, and then don't overcook food. Then you should sleep the right hours of the day, and then the clinical hygiene.
Yeah. Then, Arush, what is the meaning of the term hygiene?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Hygiene is the clean. अरे यार आरव क्या कर रहा है? Hygiene is the cleanliness the person has to keep.
The practice of good health habits.
Yes, good health habits. And
The
Arav is a
practice of
monster.
yeah, it's a practice of good health habits. Just 1 second, huh? Just 1 second.
मैं अपना माँ चुप चुप चुप
I am more powerful.
क्या है मतलब ये? क्या है ये? Children, what is this? No, Arav, this is not at all accepted. This is not at all accepted, beta. This is not at all accepted. Don't act like first graders and second graders. You have to maintain your decorum. Yeah, जब हम थोड़ा हंसने के मूड में होते हैं तो yeah, that is accepted. But every time you continue the same attitude, so that is not accepted.
Oh
Right?
yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Now wait. Yes,
Yeah.
Arush. Question. What do you mean by the term hygiene? Arush, what do you mean by the term hygiene?
Yes, hygiene is the practice of maintaining good health habits.
Yeah. Arav, why your camera is off?
My camera is off.
Why? That's what I'm asking. Why?
A glitch.
Now, Arav. So, Arav, your question is, Arav, what do you understand by the term disease?
A disease. A disease is an illness that causes a person, a human, animal, and a plant. No, sorry. A disease is an illness of an organism, especially a human, animal, or a plant, or a rather of a failure of health accidentally.
Yes.
And disease means without ease.
Yeah. Not feeling comfortable. Arav, what is communicable disease, and give at least 3 examples of communicable disease?
Now, communicable disease. This disease spread from a healthy person to infected person to a healthy person. Example: COVID-19, flu, common cold, measles, rabies, jaundice. Um,
Bus. Now, Arush, explain non-communicable diseases with 3 examples.
Non-communicable diseases are diseases which do not spread from infected person to a healthy person. For example, diabetes, cancer, and anemia. Anemia.
Yes.
I have
Now,
anemia.
yes, keep quiet. Now, Arav, your turn. So, Arav, you have to name any 2 diseases caused by virus.
Influenza and rabies. Influenza symptom headache, rabies fear of water, spreads to influenza spreads to cough, sneeze or
Influenza
spitting
spreads through cough. How this rabies spreads through?
to dog
Dog
bites.
bite. Yeah, dog bite. Now, Arush, you have to say any 3 diseases caused by bacteria, bacterial infections.
Bacterial infection is first is pneumonia, pneumonia, diphtheria, and tuberculosis.
Yeah, pneumonia is bacterial or viral?
बैक्टीरियल
Let
नहीं
me
तो
check.
कोलेरा भी कह सकते कोलेरा
Yeah, cholera
कोलेरा
you can write. Yeah,
कोलेरा is so infectious that even NATO got it.
Ma'am, I can see your phone.
NATO,
see,
NATO, NATO, NATO,
see.
NATO.
Yeah, I'm checking only. Pneumonia, you were wrong, beta. See, you were wrong actually.
Why?
Don't write pneumonia because pneumonia is like it is amalgamation. It like majority of ammonia is caused. Sorry, not ammonia, pneumonia. Majorly, this pneumonia is caused by viruses only. There are very few characteristics observed via bacterial infection. So don't write pneumonia in this. Okay. Now, Arav, name any 2 diseases caused by protozoa.
Malaria and sleeping sickness.
Malaria and sleeping sickness. How does
Malaria,
sleeping sickness?
wait. Malaria cycle of fever symptoms, cycle of fever and chill spreads to mosquito, sleeping sickness, insomnia at night, and sleeping during the day. Arush, don't eat my wire.
And spread
Sleeping
through
during the and spreads to chisti, pronounced as fly.
pronounced as tsetse fly.
Ma'am, what is
Okay.
testy fly?
Tsetse is
Ma'am,
a fly.
can you show me the picture of it?
Tsetse.
Yeah.
See,
She looks so yuck, bogey,
what?
bogey.
What bogey?
It's bogey. It's bakwas.
Okay, now Arush, tell me any one disease caused by fungus.
fungus is athlete's foot.
What is the symptom and how it is spread through?
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, the symptoms of athlete foods are dry, scaly, itchy patches on the damp areas of the body, and ma'am, it is spread through. It is spread through damp areas such as swimming pools, your shower room, etc., where there is moisture.
Yeah. So we are almost done with revision. Electricity का हमने हर एक पेज वाइज किया है सारा रिविजन, and then this chapter, respiration and this chapter we will do in the next class. Okay. Bye bye.
Ma'am, wait. Bye.
Bye.